Welcome to my channel. I will explain in this video how to test the hydraulic pressure test in the intercooler. Intercooler assembly 1 test decide the intercooler condition, it is safety and reliability the hydraulic pressure test. In this video I will show you the correct procedure for taking hydraulic pressure test in the intercooler. Why the intercooler hydraulic pressure test is important? Leakage detection in the tube leakages, o-ring leakages in the o-ring cut or damage to prevent the optional failure. Prevents operation failure in the pressure losses. Saves time and cost. Rectify problem solve easily. Start intercooler pressure test equipments, intercooler pressure and pump, inlet flange and outlet flange. Connect the intercooler inlet flange connect with the pressure pump with valve. Connect the intercooler outlet flange with connecting the valve. Main water supply line connect the inlet flange, open the valve. In the outlet flange valve is continuously closed condition. Check the hydraulic pressure and pump pressurized or not. After pressurized, connect the hydraulic pressure and pump inlet flange before the inlet valve along with the inlet water supply. Ensure the intercooler is completely filled with water. Intercooler casing air release valve open 5 minutes. Release the air vent valve after close the air vent valve. Check the hydraulic pressure and pump gauge. The gauge pressure should be slightly increased again. Hydraulic pressure and pump air release valve open. Open 5 minutes after close it again. After closing the valve, slightly increases pressure in the gauge up to 3 bar increases. In the main inlet line valve pressure is supply is 3 bar. In the main line pressure supply is 3 bar. After reaching the 3 bar pressure, close the inlet valve. Main supply line inlet valve closed. After closing inlet valve, hydraulic and pressure pump continuously pumping up to reach 4 bar. Stop the pump once the required pressure is reached. Casually inspect the any leakage in the top intercooler casing and o-ring tubes. In the intercooler bottom, check the any leakages in the bottom. Maintain the pressure 30 minutes to 1 hour. Observe the hydraulic pressure gauge carefully. If the pressure remains constant, intercooler test is okay. If the pressure drop, there is any leakage in the intercooler. When the tube leakages are found to air entry and exit sides are close the copper dummy. When the O-ring leakage is found, change the O-ring. Structure damaged, change the intercooler casing. In the low pressure, change the cooler bundle. After completing the pressure test, remove the water inlet and outlet flanges. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe, like and share.